Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. This one is actually quite special because it's a Reecom weather radio. But you already know I have one. But this is a Reecom R-1630A and I. This thing actually got here a little earlier than I expected. Like, it only took it like 4 days. Or actually, less than that. I think it only took 3 to 2 days. Yeah, wow. Because I ordered it on the 20th and today's the 22nd, so it got here 2 days later. Yeah, this is a special unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab something. Hold on. Okay. It's hard. Yeah. I'll just cut from here. Kind of made it hard to get this thing open, so I had to kind of rip it open. Oh God. Oh Jesus Christ. Yeah. I have to really get in here, so this is just great. You can see there's the box. They really made it hard. Please don't. I have the box. As you can tell, this is most definitely a Reecom R-1630A because the words are in white and it only says statement right there. That's how you know. Because the words on the normal Reecom are in black. And it usually says statement/advisory. Or advisory/statement, sorry. Oh, this is the fun part. Jesus. See, this can be really hard sometimes. Really? Well, here's the radio. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to film it. I don't really have somebody to help me hold the camera. Here's the radio. So, bubble wrap, as you can see. Yeah, this is definitely a Reecom. Yeah. Here it is. I think they're. This, I hope, is legit because it didn't come with a manual. Although I could be wrong. Yeah, it didn't come with one. So that's sucks. Yes. At least it came with the power adapter. That's more important. But then you can power it on. I'm gonna actually plug in here, and then I'm gonna plug into my room, see if it can work in there. It's a different model, and it might be a little bit different from the normal Reecom. Hold on, I'm gonna plug it in before I take the camera back out. Okay. So, this is most definitely a very special unboxing. Geez, the adapter's a little different. There it is. It's a little different. Now, just for the heck of it, we're going to do siren test first to make sure it's actually legit. I don't know what happened last, so it could be the test tone, it could be the normal tone, so we'll see. Yeah. So, it seems like it actually went off for an alert last time. Look. Pretty unique, not gonna lie. That is a little different from the other one, as you can see. On this one, sounds like this. Well, on this one, it's a little bit quieter, I notice. I really like this one, honestly. This thing is, it's actually unique how... Whoa, okay. Yeah, let's select the channel.
With a temperature.
So we have to select channel 7. Enter county. Jesus, the backlight, so hard to read because... Okay. All, select all. Yeah, that's a dark backlight, as you can tell. And these lights don't even just light up. So yeah. Okay, this is going to be a hard thing to do. As you can tell, we might have to skip it a bit. Okay, switch. And I didn't even have to set up the defeat siren. Everything was enabled. Sorry, I had to do it. It's different, which, yeah. It's different. That's why I like doing it a lot. Alert enable. Yeah, voice. It's already on voice because this one's used. So of course it's going to be on voice, so... We already did that. Before we get to the time zone, which I'll set up on my own, I'm gonna do the antenna, see how we can get some good reception. Here's the antenna. Yeah, it's a little weird. It's a little smaller than the other Reecom. Let's see if we can get some good reception. Oh yeah, that's pretty early.
The temperature was 83 degrees with a dew point of 58 degrees.
So it does seem like it might like it being in my room. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not too much to it. Understandably. Enter county, yeah, we already did that. Yeah, so we did everything. That is the Reecom R-1630A. Pretty early. Hope y'all enjoyed this short video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.